Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to the introduction of brand new eWay-CRM. My name is Jan Lalinski, I'm the CEO, and I want to take you through all the exciting features we've added to the eWay-CRM Online. Let's do it. This is the new eWay-CRM Online, and one of the biggest updates has happened in the board view. Let me click Deals to show you. Most of you already know our board view. It's a nice feature that displays all deals as cards and groups them by columns. They are sometimes called swimming lanes. Some tools allow you to define your swimming lanes freely. In eWay-CRM, we group data by existing columns. We are in deals, and the most obvious group is by status, which returns my pipeline. I can click this button and group them by due dates, owners, or my own custom fields. I can use drag and drop and move the individual deals between swimming lanes. Let's say a customer has called, so I'll move this one to proposal. Simple. What's new in eWay-CRM 8.3 is that I can quickly create a deal in a particular status. If I want to create a deal right in the status proposal, I just click this plus button. See, the status is already selected, and I just need to save it. If I group data by owners, I can quickly assign a deal to James. Simple. If you love right clicks as I do, you can right click here and select New. It does the same. What's next? Back to the default view. A second nice feature is the ability to quickly get a list of activities. If you already use the board view, you might have noticed these icons. They tell you how many journals, emails, documents, or tasks are related to a deal. You can now right-click on them to get a list of all activities. This is a list of all journals related to my deal. I can use search or open any of them to get more details. If I need to quickly review my deals over my morning coffee, I just click them through and get updated. This one and this one. Done. And my coffee is still hot. To show you the next feature, I must group deals by estimated close date and day. This view tells me what day each of my deals is expected to be closed. It's a kind of infinite calendar I can scroll through. But how do I know that some of my deals aren't far in the past? I might have missed them. Check these new floating buttons, left and right. They tell me how many deals are out of my screen. You can click them and eWay-CRM automatically takes you to the most recent deal. If you want to go back, click this New Today button. Done. It was fun to be Marty McFly, but enough time travel. It's good to be back in the present. All three new features are supposed to save your clicks and time. We want you to enjoy working with eWay-CRM, and I believe more interactivity helps. Speaking of interactivity, let's move to our list view. It's the classic Excel-like view you know so well. It's great if you want to quickly find a record, group them, or apply an advanced filter. Interactivity isn't the biggest trend though. Until today. Let me introduce you to the in-cell editing. In-cell editing is an amazing new feature that allows you to edit your data right from within a list, just like in Microsoft Excel. No need to open a record anymore. Our in-cell automatically checks all your workflow rules, permissions, and mandatory fields. If anything comes up, we pop up with a notification asking you for a clarification. This feature is available in the Classic and Compact list, and it's included in all our plans. The principle is simple. If I want to change something, I do it right away. You can use arrows on your keyboard to navigate. When you find your cell, just start typing. Depending on the type of the field, we update the value right away or give you a list of possible options. If you need to delete something, just press delete. The incel is just stunning. I found it particularly useful when I need to quickly change multiple items. I just find a new solver and press enter to confirm. This instantly takes me to the next record and I can start typing again. So cool. Before I leave you today, allow me to point out 3 last weeks for admins. Let me just create a new deal and here we go. If you work with our basic workflow and need to change it, click this pencil button. It activates the editing mode and you can update a name of any status. Prototype. I can use drag and drop to move it to another position and create a brand new status. And save it. Done. Beautiful. We've added the same 2 drop-downs. Referral source, for example, is missing what? Cold calling. Let's type it down and click Add New. Here we go. Customizing eWay-CRM has never been simpler. The last update is related to our admin center, which now contains a new AI chat. We use ChatGPT-4 and upgrade whenever a new one comes up. It's trained on our how-to articles and knowledge base, which we keep improving every day. Consider our chat as an inbuilt search, which is here so you don't need to crawl our documentation. Just ask. Don't worry, if you require a human touch, our team is still available. Here at eWay-CRM, no one was fired. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. eWay-CRM 8.3 is available in the admin center and we are looking forward to your feedback. Until then, we'll keep ourselves busy by making eWay-CRM even better. See you next time.